Shri Pawan Dhanwar ji, Chief Finance Officer and President HCL Corporation, is a strategic leader with decades of experience in global finance, enterprise strategy and organizational transformation. Let's put our hands together to welcome.
I know Hemant for many years, and we have been chatting what he has been doing for quite some time, and I think he's doing amazing work. You know, supporting the ecosystem which is becoming, or it's already a backbone for any economy and a social fabric of any country. I think he's doing a commendable job. One thing which I would like to open up, like beyond a corporate world, which I've been almost 35 years now, last almost 25 years with the foundation, which is Shiv Nadar Foundation, and with a very significant contribution on education side, Hemant is aware of. So I've seen this transformation in the higher education very closely myself. We run two universities, Shiv Nadar universities, one is NCR, one in Chennai, and an engineering college in Chennai, which is of very high rank. I'll not take much time, only I just point out a couple of 2-3 points which I think is the need of the hours. You know, technology has solved many problems and it will keep on solving. I think two problems still, big problem in the higher education especially, though Hemant, you are doing a lot of work on a ecosystem, supporting ecosystem, making seamless, better and efficient and productive. But I think good teachers or a good faculty or a good teaching, you know, philosophy, I think there's a huge gap, the demand and supply. You know, I think somewhere how the technology can help here, right? People have been trying and partly successful, but still I think if India has to reach at a level, at a global level of education, higher education, I think that is very, very important piece, which we as an institution have been trying, but as we all know that one institution cannot do much, and government has been trying also, but I think as a collective efforts we need to do that. And second, that the research has come at a very early stage in our life, in education system. You know, our philosophy, our understanding that education, research can come like in the post-graduation, and after that I think it should come much early in the education ecosystem, which in our university we try to bring it at a undergraduate level. I'm saying why not at a school level, right? Which our Shiv Nadar schools we try to do. But again, just an example because I am exposed to that. But I think these are very important factors. You know, I just pick up one example of a country like, pick up South Korea, a small country, doesn't have much land. Or pick up Israel, a small country, right, doesn't have much land, but what they have products, they have IPs, they have innovation, they have done enough research, they give to some other country like India, take the land here, take the people here, take the capital here, and suddenly, you know, an IPO comes which is a few $1 billion. This is what we need to work on upon, right? So there are two aspects which definitely in need of the hour, and you know, in any forum we try to debate this and try to do with all stakeholders how we can make it, you know, happen. This two gaps which actually I see. There are many of them, but there are two key which I see. And Hemant, challenge for you, try to do something around it, and good luck. Thank you.